Take two, cats. Anyways, it's been a little bit since I put a video out. We've been dealing with some family things. My wife's parents, they got divorced like 30 years and change ago, and they live approximately 1,100 miles apart, and they both passed away 6 days from each other. So we've been dealing with that. They both still had a lot of love for each other, even though they were divorced. So we think they had some connected souls. So anyways, we were dealing with that. We're still dealing with it. We got to settle the estate and all that. So it's all good. But with that being said, I did manage to get out and put the caltracks on Project Child or Problem Child. I don't even know anymore. It's been so long. It's stuck in the garage. So that's done minus the adjustments. Got to get it on some good flat ground. We'll get it adjusted. Maybe at the track. I got a cat here. Maybe at the track. Who knows? So, yeah. So we're going to try and get some more content out to you. And some track time. I have, just to let you know about the race car, I have relinquished driving duties and repair duties to my brother, because that actually is my dad's car, not really mine. So, and he wants to drive it, and I want to concentrate on the Cornet for a little while. I have a game plan with that thing on down the road. So, anyways, we will try to get him going, because I've got to teach him how to use a delay box and things like that. And after that, he knows what to do. I mean, he was a sportsman track champion back in '01 and things like that. So that's all cool. Anyways, like, subscribe, and share, comment. I'll take social criticism. I don't really care. Can't offend me. I'm unoffendable. But anyways, here is a quick video on installing caltracks. High-tech traction bars. Yep, first step in caltracks, getting the leaf springs off and getting these guys off. So this will be a process. All right, yeah, we did it the easy way. They weren't coming off. That guy right there, this side. So we won't be using none of that. And you know, the directions say prop up the center section so it doesn't roll on you. I was like, nah, that ain't gonna roll. It rolled. So if you like the directions say, prop it up. I'll be back. That sure is purty. Anyways, so we gotta press this guy out. Caltracks. Here, let me back that off a little bit. Better. So this guy, we need to press that out. I have that guy. Yeah, it works pretty good actually. Not bad for 50 bucks. And then you got to press in this aluminum one, which I did. That's pretty. They ask you to put a little anti-seize in there. I did. And it's just like mustard and bearing grease. You get it all over the place. Then this guy slides in there. And then you put this guy on there with one of those Doom-wangers. And yeah, I gotta go get the directions because I need direction. Anyways, I'll be back. Andy sees. So this is kind of the finished product. This goes up here. Put it in there. We got a sleeve on top, inside the sleeve. And this will go down here and our rod will come in and hook to that and go to the spring hanger shock mount. So, all right, let's get them installed. Don't mind the mess. That's right. All right, so I ordered a set of U-bolts for this to try and finish that off. And the box came in the other day like this. See? Nothing in it. Rewrapped. You can see it's got an X right there. Without contents. Without contents. So they shipped this box all the way from California to here with nothing in it. The guy that sold me the U-bolts has been very helpful. He said I need to file a claim and he'll handle it from his end. So that's pretty awesome. So I had to go down. TaylorMade Muscle Cars had the right bolts. See the flat? So I got those, but he didn't have the nuts. So I went down to Ace Hardware, got the nuts, lock nuts. So grade 8. So let's get all this stuff put on. And here they are. One afternoon, not even, installed. They're not adjusted correctly currently, but we'll have to do that when we get it on the ground. Prettiest thing on the whole car. Anyways, well, that's one job done. On to the next.